using the foolish things to confirm the word. Your helpers will remember you. There are so many destiny that people are supposed to be celebrating. You are supposed to have become a blessing to others, but they are kept you in the prison.
Continue to share, continue to like, and continue to connect with the prophet, and the God of Elijah will see you through.
Intercede. You cannot intercede. Make your request not to God, and God will turn his back. No wonder a psalmist said, Psalm 23, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pasture. He leadeth me before the still water. For his name's sake. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no. Fear what? For the Lord is what? I shall fear. He's making his request not to God. Even though I am walking in dangers, I no go fear. For the Lord is with me. Have you made your request known to God? Interceding. Jesus' mother interceded for the bride and the groom.
Yes, sir.
John chapter 2, for verse 4 to 5.
On verse 4. And Jesus said unto her, Woman, what have I
read
to...
from verse 3 first.
From verse 3.
Yes.
And when they wanted wine, the mother of Jesus said unto him,
And the Bible said they became stranded. Wine finished.
They have no wine.
Wine finished. Party will never start. They don't finish wine. Wine finish. No wine. Hey! Party never start. Yes, sir.
Verse 4. And Jesus said unto her, Woman, what have I to do with thee?
Hold it. If it's going to be me and you, or our mama, our papa, you, when I bought pour blood for your head, you they disgrace me for public, you they call me woman, you this boy, you no get respect.
I hear you, sir.
African mothers. Son, when has finished, woman, what have I to do with you? Number one offense, woman. Number two, what have I to do with you? Jesus insulted the mother. You receive insult, don't give up. They will post it on you, don't give up. You are interceding, don't pick offense. They cannot believe that we have nowadays. Pastor shouted on you, don't finish. Social media will carry on. That arrogant prophet, how dare him speak to me in that manner? Oh, Jesus said to the mother, no one knows this. He mama way, mother, he knows this. You know what? The mother knew what concerns water and wine. Two, three things happened. Number one, he was invited to the wedding. Number two, the mother interceded. Number three, the disciples. They obeyed instruction. They did not say to him, Master, they say wine to finish. They say, more fill water. Water, wine, and they said. Then they were seated. Kings were seated. Wine got finished. Even when the party has not continued to have. And Jesus said, drop out wine from the bottles. And pause. He told them, fill it with water. Second, he said, draw out wine. They obeyed. Then somebody did not say, Ghana, water we put inside. Why you misunderstanding yourself? If it is this generation, Facebook will carry her. Why? Look at what Jesus did in a wedding in Cana. Why finish? He's asking his disciple to put water. After today, that the goosey way they sell for garbage. Oh God. When they go taste her, God will turn her to honey. That small business, that office where you work, as you enter office tomorrow, God will turn you to become Jesus Christ. God will put mark for your face, mark of favor. I say, evil people that matter, they will see you, they're going to beg you to help. I don't know who I am talking to. I prophesy. After today, you drink the shekbe and the kokoro. You first of all give us shekbe where you kept the original wine. But the group was looking like a boy. I don't know what you will talk. I don't know how the wine take off. All I know is that Jesus did this grant. Are you hearing me? Yes. I don't know what you're talking about. You are asking me how money I bought this car. I don't know how I bought the car. All I know that Jesus Christ is involved. You are asking me how money we are seeing when they build house. I don't know how they build the duplex home. All I know is Jesus Christ is involved.
Continue to share, continue to like, and continue to connect with the prophet.